just found this dog. He is hungry and thirsty. Man. Ate the whole can in 10 seconds flat. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Where you belong to, huh? You belong to. Okay, okay. Gonna get indigestion. Want some more water? I'll get you some water. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wow. No food, no water, huh? Okay. Okay. What's your name? No tag. At least you have a collar. Okay. Call him Zigzag. Come on, Zigzag. Come on, Zigzag. See if we can find your owner. Huh? What? There's no food. There's some papers. Just like Zigzag. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Come on, Zigzag. You don't know which way to go. That's not food. It's eating anything. Oh, that's a chicken bone. Come on. You don't know those people. What? You live over there somewhere? We gotta find your house. Unless you have to go to the animal shelter and wait for your owner to pick you up. Come on, Zigzag. Stop zigging and zagging. Responsible pet owners. How did you get out? What a nice dog. Somebody wants you. Oh, it's gonna be a happy reunion. It's gonna be a happy reunion. I think this is your daddy. Hey! Hey! Look at here. What a happy reunion. Oh, he was at the 7-Eleven. He was at the 7-Eleven. I always keep a leash in the car, you know.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yes.
You want anything?
No. Maybe a ride back to the house. But, yeah, I said, I know he's got to be around here somewhere. And this gentleman over there just told me, yeah, there's a guy in a silver car looking for him. I said, okay, I'm going to go back up here to the 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.